Hello everyone, welcome back to SQ1. Today in this video, we are going to talk about factory annotation in TestNG, which is used to run tests multiple times. Factory annotation is a powerful feature that allow you to dynamically create instances of test classes at runtime. This enable you to execute the same test class with different sets of test data and configuration, making your testing process more flexibility and efficiently. So let's begin. Create new class inside the package, and this package name is automate. Right click new and click on class. Enter the class name non app and then click on finish. Add test @test public void login. Import @test annotation, and we will print something here. System.out.println sample test case. Control S to save this and add new class for factory. Right click on package new and then click on class. Enter the class name factory A and then click on finish. Now we will add the factory annotation that indicating that the following method is a factory. For test data @factory public object array and factory name factory object round brackets and curly brackets. Import @factory annotation. This object declaring a public method named factory that returns an array of object. Add return statement. Now we will create an array of object and initializing instances. Object array object is equal to curly brackets, and here we define the instances. New and enter the class name. Class name is launch app and then round brackets. This is one instance. Add second instance, then third instance. Here we define the total 3 instances. It means this test case will execute 3 times. Here add return object. Control S to save this file. Let's run this script. Right click run as and TestNG test. In console you can view this test case execute 3 times. If we add an other instance new and launch app, here we need to add comma and round brackets. Now this test case will execute 4 times because we create 4 instances. Here you can view the total test run 4 and past test cases is equal to 4. If you like this content, please subscribe to SQL1. Thanks for watching.